Okay, the second calculator method that I want to teach you guys is try to look at question number 4 here. Okay, question number 4 here. Okay, we using A, B as an example. Okay, so first of all, the question here stated that how can you find, okay, let's say for example, how can you find the answer of x and y here? Okay, because this question is you want to find the equivalent balance or you want to find the pair of simulations linear equation. So this question, normally in application question, we would like to find out what is the equilibrium point. So when x, what is the equilibrium point for these two equations? Okay, for these two equations. So we're using A as an example. Negative 2x plus y equal to 2 and 2x plus y equal to negative 6. So for the traditional method, we are using the calculation. Okay, this one is equation number 1, this one is equation number 2. Then we find out the equation number 3, y is equals to blah blah blah. Then we replace equation number 3 in, we replace equation number 3, we go into equation number 1. Okay, this is the traditional method. So since you already have this kind of calculator, why don't we use the calculator to solve the problem? Okay, so first of all, for this question, meaning here you have to find the equation here. So you go to mod here, 1, 2, 3. You find out the equation here, equation. You want to find the equation. So place number 1. Okay, here, how many unknown do you have? You have 2 unknown, which is your x and your y. You want to find the value of x and you want to know the value of y. Meaning to say that you have 2 unknown. Okay, so you place 2 here. So A here normally is the x. This one is your A. Okay, this one will be your A. This one is your B and this one is your C. The same thing as here. This one is your A, this one is your B, and this one is your C. Okay, again, this one is your A, this one is your B, this one is your C. Always X come first. Okay, so we look at here. The A will be negative 2. B will be 1 because Y only, right? 1. C is 2. The second one is 2, 1, negative 6. So the answer, x is negative 2, y is negative 2. Okay? So we're using B as the example. So your A will be 3, your A1 will be 3, your A2, your B1 will be 4. This is your C1 is 12. A2 is 1. B2 is 4, C2 is 3. Okay, so go back. So 3, 4, 12. C2 is A1, A2 is 1, 4, 8. So the answer for X is 2. The answer for Y is 1.5. Okay? So for this kind of calculator, the same thing here, you need to place mod. Okay? Look for equation. So the equation here is 5. You place 5. Okay? So now you have 2 unknown, which is a n x plus b x n y equals to c. So this will be the method. This will be the format. Okay? The same thing here, we're using question number 4 as an example. Okay, 4a. So we're choosing number 1 first. Okay? So for the equation here, this will be equation 1. This will be equation 2. So equation 1, the a will be negative 2. The b will be 1. The c is 2. And the equation 2 is 2, 1, negative 6. Okay, what is the answer? So the x is 2, the y is negative 2 as well. Okay, so we're using question number 2 as example. So A1 is 3, 4, 12, 1, 4, 8. So your x1 is 2, your y is 3 over 2. Place here you can get the decimal points answer, which is 1.5. Okay, clear?